Hello everyone and welcome back to Humble Homestead Life. Today's video is all about resetting my home. We've had several vacations, camping vacations throughout the year so far, and it's just time to get my house back in order. So I hope you sit back, grab a cup of coffee or a cup of tea, and I hope that this video brings some motivation to you homemakers out there that spend a lot of time cleaning and caring for your home. My dishwasher has been broken for about a year now, so I have been doing dishes by hand. Sometimes I dread it, but then sometimes it's very relaxing and enjoyable. My wonderful husband has offered to buy me a new dishwasher multiple times, and I keep saying no because I just don't want to spend the money. I feel like it's not that big of a deal to do them by hand. Our living room is the focal point of our home, therefore it gets the most untidy and messy. So it's time to tidy things up, vacuum, fold the laundry, and tackle all the pet hair, as you can see from my puppy laying on the couch. My cat loves to get on the piano and get his little paw and knock over all of my antique bottles. This is how he signals to us that he is hungry and ready to eat. He's such a stinker. Speaking of the stinker that loves to knock over my bottles, this is our kitty, Axel. Most days I just let the dishes air dry in the drying rack, but today I'm trying to be a little bit more productive and get them put away. Oh, the air fryer and the stove. It's a never-ending cleaning project. As a stay-at-home mom, we don't eat out very much, and so I'm constantly cooking at home. Therefore, these appliances get used a lot, and sometimes they just need a good scrub down. Well, if you have pets, then you know that vacuuming is essential, and I need to vacuum every day to keep up on the pet hair, unfortunately, but I wouldn't have it any other way because we love our critters so much. This box has been sitting here with the blanket inside of it for our little kitty that likes to come inside and nap. I figured it's time to just toss it out and declutter this area. Every couple of years, we invest in new baby chicks, and these are 5 new little buff Orpington hens that we just recently got. I need to clean out their water constantly, and I've been trying to put an ice bottle in there because it gets pretty hot. We normally get our chickens in the spring, but this year we got them a little later, and so it's pretty hot, so they really don't need the heat lamp. Although I have one in there, they're not in it very much, and they do like to lay by the ice bottle. And here you have it, my house reset. I feel so much better with the dishes done, the house vacuumed and dusted, laundry done, and now we can all relax like our puppy dog.